Hello everyone, this is Domina Mara and welcome back to my channel. Today we actually have a try-on haul, which I'm really excited about. I wish I had more of those, to be honest. But before we get into who they are and what kind of clothing it is, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you know when I have new content out. I post every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, or I live stream. I produce content based off of femdom lifestyle, education, as well as travel vlogs, DIYs, and so much more. The sponsor of today's video is DRESSIN. Literally, dress is in the name, how to dress yourself. They have dresses on there, and it's very affordable clothing for really great quality and comfort. They specialize in really nice fabrics that just fit and flow onto your body really well, and I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Today we are starting off with this black kind of catsuit going on. I really like it because the angle on the cut by the neck and collarbone is a square shape. That's really unusual to see these days. Usually it's a scoop neck or a V-neck, but I really enjoyed that. I love that I could use this for session for a nylon play and like textures and everything. It is one piece, it's super stretchy, and it's very flattering to the figure. Goes all the way down to my ankles and just feels really great. I feel like I could stretch in this, do yoga, and do some more casual stuff as well with this type of thing. All right, on to the rest of the clothing that I have today. Okay, so first off, we're going to start out pretty casual and then move on to the more dressy. This is a gray charcoal shirt that actually has like the seams that are still exposed, if you will. It looks like you turned your shirt inside out. I really liked this design for that reason. It kind of has like a Burning Man slash, wasteland weekend slash, I don't know, alternative yoga vibe to it. I paired it with these gray stretchy harem pants that I already had. I like it because it is a crop and also it's a zipper, so you can kind of adjust to how much you want to show and how much you want to, keep close to you. This is kind of the look so far. I really like the pattern on the shirt here. It's very flattering, very shaped towards bosoms, if you will. I also have these workout shorts that match really well. They are the exact color. Instead of wearing pants, you could also wear something like this. And it just looks really good paired together, etc. Okay, so next up we have this white shirt. I actually paired it with another one of the items that I had chosen today, and it's this really silky leopard, like snow leopard print skirt. I think you could pair this with anything that's black, so black pants, black capris, black mini skirt, black anything, but I paired it with this because I thought it was more fun, and it has like that mommy-dommy look or businesswoman, business boss. It's kind of dressy enough that you could go out to a nice dinner with, but it's also smart casual, so you could do business, etc. with. And the best part about this shirt is that it has a lacing in the back, which I think is super, super cute. You can even tuck this in. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna tuck it in with the next pair of pants because it can still match with that. But yes, you can roll the sleeves up, and they have these really nice cuffs that you can just secure as such, or you can just leave them fastened like so. I'm just gonna do the last one so you can get a better look, like so. They have two buttons. I love that the cuffs are very long, but yeah, really, really, really cute. So let me go and change out the bottom so that you can see what it looks like with pants and tucked in. Okay, so these are the orange Palazzo pants. They are really, really wide, which I love because I love how it flows around my legs. It has really deep pockets. It goes all the way up to my wrist, actually past my wrist. And yeah, this is the same white shirt. Actually, another thing I could have mentioned is that with the leopard print skirt, you could pair that with a white shirt, a black shirt, blouse. You can make it casual by wearing a t-shirt, like a nice one, or embroidered, or you could jazz it up business style with some collars. But yeah, this is the same shirt. Really, really cute. Love these pants and how flowy they are. Could also do yoga in these if I really wanted to, but this would be great for like summertime if I'm going to a different country, especially if it's tropical, but I still want to look classy and order my little stuff around. So speaking of other blouses, this one also has a long cuff and 2 buttons, and this is this very beautiful periwinkle color. I also paired it with the same Palazzo pants because I just love the color combination and it would be great for summer as well. But you can actually tone this down for wintertime. It would be great with gray pants, and yeah, I just love the fit. It's just so comfortable and like silky, and it just suits the shoulders really well with slight puffs. It's like not too much. Again, very elegant. You can dress this up, dress it down. You can even wear it with like tighter pants, short skirts, long skirts. The world is yours. Okay, instead of talking about it, I'm gonna show you. So I just put on the gray pants that I had on earlier with the gray top that was a crop top, and these work perfectly fine too. You can dress them casually with some ballet flats or high heels, sandals, also heels, wedges, anything you want. All right, everyone, this is the next one. It's actually just the top. I literally had the same colored pants in my wardrobe, and I really love the bell bottoms with the stripes. I've kind of been into that lately, so I think it paired perfectly. This is a great top for springtime. It has these beautiful white iridescent patterns, and it's in a mesh format. This is also a sweetheart cut, which I really love. It is elastic on the back, which is great because literally can fit anybody depending on your size. But yeah, really flattering, great again for summer, spring, probably spring. I'm actually going to change out the pants to show you what it would look like with white instead. And again, you can make this a skirt combo, short, long, flowy. So this one is actually a lower cut, so you can actually see that this is more of a crop, but I like that as well. The other one was a high waist, which came up to my belly button, and this one you can actually see everything. You can kind of imagine it with a skirt when I go like this with my legs, but these are actually pants. Okay, so you know how I had paired the blue outfit with those pants that had the stripes? These pants are actually from DRESSIN, and they are this beautiful olive green, and it has like a velvety texture, which is super nice. And it pairs really well with this shirt. It's like a marigold kind of shirt with an asymmetrical line with buttons on it and gold. It's perfect for summertime or like entering into fall, and I super love it. This to me screams August, and that's when my birthday is, so a very Leo outfit, if you will. I also really enjoyed how the shine of this material sparkles and just like shimmers under the light. I'm sure you could steam it to get some of the lines out, but it really doesn't bother me. It just flows really well and has a nice line. These are also elastic, so it stretches at the arms while revealing a little bit of wrist. I'm actually going to change out these pants now to another pair that I think would go really well with this that you could find on the website. So same top, but the pants are black, and they have these buttons that go down the leg with the like a little curve, which is really flattering. I think these are purely decorative. Yeah, I don't think you can actually take the buttons out. I think they're sewn together, but they do have a split by the shin, which is really cute. So you can wear boots with this, you can wear sandals with your toes out, etc. And the material is just really nice and comfortable. I'm going to give a quick montage of how you can take the selected items and mix and match them further. So here we go.
I want to thank DRESSIN for sponsoring this video, and that is all we
have for us today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can learn about DRESSIN. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. Again, I post every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time where I live stream. I have a newsletter that you can also find on dominamara.com to showcase what you've missed and what collaborations are coming up, and also where I will be traveling. Don't forget to follow my social media at Mara Domina so that you know when I have new content out. And until next time, keep it kinky and comfortable, everyone.